In this video, I will quickly walk you through on how to use Microsoft Copilot AI tool, all right, to summarize a web page. Let's get into it. Okay, for you to use Copilot to summarize the content of a web page, there's something you need to do. No, you need to know, okay? First is that you have to be accessing that web page with Microsoft Edge because Microsoft Edge is a web browser developed by Microsoft. So once you subscribe to Microsoft 365, all right, the Copilot is made active in it. All right. So once you're on the web page, then you will see the option for you to summarize this particular web page. You can see this option here, summarize. All right, it will pop up on the web page. So instead of me passing through the stress to read everything contained in this page, on this page, Copilot can help me to do that. So at the beginning, Copilot has already scanned this content, and this title is Pep Guardiola confronts Dean Henderson after Crystal Palace FA Cup win. All right, so is confrontation that the Manchester City coach made to this goalkeeper of the Crystal Palace. So once you see this summarized icon, or will I say text with Copilot icon, click on it. All right. So and wait for it to do the magic for you. You can see now it has summarized the content of this in a shorter form. And it says here is a summary of the main points from the article. Pep Guardiola's confrontation with Dean Henderson. After Crystal Palace historic FA Cup victory against Manchester City, Pep Guardiola confronted Palace goalkeeper Dean Henderson over his time wasting tactics. During the match, the two had to be separated to avoid full blown altercation. All right, altercation. So, if you read more, you see the summary of this whole thing. So, from here now, I've understood that okay, this was why Pep Guardiola was talking to the goalkeeper yesterday because the match took place yesterday. So, and that is how you can use this Copilot tool to summarize. Okay. So once on the web page, you will see the summarized, text here. All right. And you click on it, it will provide you with the answer by this side. Okay. So this is how you use Copilot, all right, to summarize the content of any web page you're accessing through the Microsoft Edge browser. Listen, this does not work in Chrome, but as for now, it works in Edge because the product is owned by the same company. That's Microsoft Edge and Copilot. I believe you find this content helpful. Please, if it does help, consider subscribing to this channel. Here we put out a lot of videos on how to complete some tasks using different software. All right, and YouTube education and self-publishing. So subscribe to learn more. Leave a comment in the comment section. Let me know what you have to say about this video. Do you need something more? Just drop that in the comment section and hit the like button. All right. You can watch this video here to learn more on AI. Thank you and see you some other time. Stay blessed.